Synonyms number 1. Crazy. 1. The definition is very foolish, senseless, or strange. Here are the synonyms: absurd, preposterous, ridiculous, ludicrous, farcical, laughable, risible, idiotic, stupid, foolish, foolhardy, unwise, imprudent, ill-conceived, silly, inane, infantile, fatuous, imbecilic, harebrained, half-baked, unreasonable, irrational, illogical, nonsensical, pointless, senseless, impracticable, unworkable, unrealistic, outrageous, wild, shocking, astonishing, monstrous, unbelievable, incredible, unthinkable, implausible, peculiar, odd, strange, queer, weird, eccentric, bizarre, fantastic, incongruous, grotesque, cockeyed, barmy, daft, potty, crazy ass, wackadoo, wackadoodle. Definition number 2. Extremely excited or enthusiastic. Extremely angry. That's what it means. Very enthusiastic, passionate, fanatical, excited, very keen on, enamored of, infatuated with, smitten with, devoted to, fond of, wild, mad, nutty, nuts, gone on, potty, sweet on. Adverb of crazy. Extremely.